Hello friends, I'm Professor Kumar and we are at Galaxy Tutorials. We will continue from last time exercise 8.4 of trigonometry chapter, and this is lecture number 13. 12 we have already delivered on the subtopics of this chapter. We are on fifth sum, fourth subpart. We have done three subparts till our last lecture. Let us start the fourth subpart. In the fourth subpart, the book says 1 plus sec theta divided by sec A is equal to sine square A upon 1 minus cos A. And it's given a hint, solve both separately. Solve both separately. This is what is the sum. We have to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side, and we have to solve. So let's go for sum number 4. So first and foremost, we will go for basics ratio 1 plus, and we have sec A is 1 upon cos A, and the whole divided by 1 upon cos A. Left hand side we are solving. Okay. Now this, when you see further, will become 1 plus cos A plus 1 upon cos A divided by 1 upon cos A, or in simple language, it will be 1 plus cos A. I need sine square on the right hand side. I have cos, so I will have to square it. To square it, we will have to multiply by a similar term. So what do I do next? So I will do, this is equal to 1 plus cos A multiplied by 1 minus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A. So this can get cancelled, and you know the answer is 1, so we have not changed the value. A plus B, A minus B is A square minus B square. 1 minus cos square A is sine square A, and this is 1 minus cos A. I write for your information, sine square A plus cos square A is 1, first identity, therefore 1 minus cos square A is sine square A. This is how to solve the sum number 4. We will go to sum number 5. Sum number 5, we are having, the book says, cos A minus sine A plus 1 whole divided by cos A plus sine A minus 1. We have to prove this is equal to cosec A plus cot A. We have to use the identity, cosec square A is 1 plus cot square A. So this is our fifth sum. So left hand side is cos A minus sine A plus 1 upon cos A plus sine A minus 1. First and foremost, we need cosec, we need cot. Cos divided by sine will give me cot, and 1 upon sine will give me my cosec. So first, dividing both terms, left hand side, dividing numerator and denominator by sine A. So I am sine A upon sine A is 1. I am multiplying by sine A, I am dividing by sine A. So now this is equal to cos A upon sine A minus sine A upon sine A plus 1 upon sine A, the whole divided by cos A divided by sine A plus sine A divided by sine A minus 1 upon sine A. This is what will result. And here you can see this will cancel and this will cancel. Okay. So on simplifying, I will get, in this case, after I have cancelled, I will get sine upon cos upon sine is cot A minus 1. Okay. Cot A minus 1, and I will have cosec A. And on the denominator side, I will have 1 plus cot A or cot A plus 1, whichever is it, minus cosec A. Okay, this for the second does not make a difference. We will keep it in our form because we need to come to 1 first. So you are, in addition, whichever number A plus B is equal to B plus A. So I have come to this stage, as you can see. Now, when I come here, we realize in this case that we have to now somehow go forwards and we are looking stuck. Okay, so we will carefully move the sides and all and see. Now this is equal to, we will see cosec A plus cot A, I'm just putting the bracket to group it, minus 1 divided by 1 plus cot A, okay, minus cosec A. Why did I do like this? Because now you will see it will solve faster. Now we have to somehow move forwards and I will use 1. And we have been told cosec square A is 1 plus cot square A, or 1 is equal to cosec square A minus cot A. So this is what it is telling me. So I will substitute for 1. This is equal to cosec A plus cot A minus, okay, minus cosec square A minus cot square A, the whole divided by denominator we are not changing, cot A. At this stage we keep it as it is. So we have used this fact here instead of 1, otherwise it was not moving forwards and we've been told to use it. Okay, now you can see this is A square minus B square. So this is equal to, or I will come to this level, this is equal to cosec A plus cot A, and I will have minus A square minus B square is A minus B and A plus B. Okay, denominator remains as it is, 1 plus cot A minus cosec A. No change in the denominator or manipulation till now. So we've got this, we've come to this level, and now we have cosec A cot A common. So I will have common outside, cosec A plus cot A common. I will do common. I will have 1 minus, and this will be left inside, cosec A plus cot A. The whole divided by 1 plus cot A minus cosec A. Okay. Yes friends, we have reached till here, and now you will see that this is solving wonderful. Okay, so we will have cosec A. Okay, in case you are not comfortable with signs, minus into plus is minus, minus into minus is plus if you open. Otherwise, leave the minus outside and keep it like that. Okay, so cosec A plus cot A, first term as it is, into 1 plus cot A minus cosec A, order change, this plus before, minus afterwards, upon 1 plus cot A minus cosec A. This is where we reach. Okay, now friends, you can see 1 and this cancel, and what is left behind is what is required. So this is equal to cosec A plus cot A. Okay, we need, and that is right hand side, hence true. This is how to do the sum. Okay, so be careful. Divide by sine A. Why? Because I don't need cos, I don't need sine, I need cosec and cot. So cos divided by sine will give me cot, and 1 upon sine only will give me cosec. So divide by sine A, and then manipulate the 1 because they said use. Manipulate the 1. Okay? A square minus b square. And then similar terms cancel and what remains is right hand side. This is how the sum is to be completed. We will go to the next sum. Moving to sum number 5. What does sum number 5 say? Cos A minus, we have just done 5, we will go to 6. 6 sum says root of 1 plus sin A upon 1 minus sin A is equal to sec A plus tan A. We have to prove this. We have done a similar type of sum 2 times in the previous exercise. Okay, so how do we go about it? How do we get rid of the root? First step, because we don't need root on the other side. So we will rationalize. So this is equal to left hand side. Okay, we are rationalizing root 1 plus sin A, 1 minus sin A. I will multiply this by conjugate 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A. So that just cancels and it is 1. We don't have to write rationalizing or multiplying by conjugate, but this is what it means. Now this is equal to, now the first term is look square, 1 plus sin A the whole square, and in the bottom I have root of 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A. This is how it is appearing at present. Now root and square cancel each other, so I will have 1 plus sin A on top, and A square minus B square will give me A plus B into A minus B will give me A square minus B square. Now my friends, this is 1 plus sin A and 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. Okay, so we reach this step, and when we remove the root, there was the root, remember? So this will become cos A. Square root and square will cancel each other. Then we separate the terms 1 upon cos A plus sin A upon cos A, which gives me 1 upon cos A is sec A and sin A upon cos A is tan A. This is right hand side. This is hence proved. Simple. We've done it, as I remind you, 2 times earlier also. Similar sum. So this was sum number 5, 5th subsum of the 5th sum. 7th. Sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. We have to prove this is equal to just tan theta. My friends, you can see that sin and sin is common in the first numerator and cos is common secondly in the denominator. Okay, so we will work on that fact simply because, as we can see with our eyes, that is something which we can work. So now left hand side we are working on sin theta common 1 minus 2, and I will have sin square theta. Okay, and when I remove common from the denominator, cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now somehow we have to get rid of these two because I need tan theta. Only this should remain. Okay, so this is where we have reached. Then this is sin theta 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by cos theta. Okay, And here we will start our manipulation 2 and 2, and for cos square I will write 1 minus sine square theta and minus 1. I have substituted for cos theta 1 minus sine square theta because sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1 according to our basic identity. So this is how we manipulate further. Now this will be equal to, simply put, sine theta upon this is tan theta, and when you will open this, okay, you will find that life is getting simpler and we will have the remaining cancelling each other, and this much will remain. So this is equal to right hand side and this is hence proved. Open it, 2 minus 2 sine square theta minus 1, from 2 minus 1 will go, okay, so only those terms will remain. So this is sum number 7, subsum number 7 of 5th. Let's go to 8th. Okay, my friends, keep attention and focus, practice. Practice is the key to success. Okay, practice 3 times, 4 times till you get fluent about what is the next step. Don't sit to think. Speed is also essential in exams. So we are moving to the 8th one. 8th one says, prove that sine theta plus cosec theta, sine theta plus cosec theta square plus cos theta plus sec theta, the whole square, is equal to 7 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. And we are supposed to make it such small. I'm supposed to get 7, I'm supposed to get tan square, and I'm supposed to get cot square from what is being given to me. So have a look. Sum number 8. So I'll start from left hand side. Left hand side is equal to sine theta plus cosec theta, the whole square, plus cos theta plus sec theta, the whole square. First only the left hand side. Okay, so now I have a plus b the whole square. Again I have m plus n the whole square. A plus b the whole square, my friends, is a square plus b square plus 2ab. You can put 2ab in between also and b square at the end also, means the same thing. Don't forget your expansion formulas. Okay, so we have now 2 squares on top and we will use the formula for them. So this is sine square theta plus cosec square theta till here plus 2 sine theta into cosec theta. Okay, then I will go to the other side. There is one more side to it, as you can see. This will give me plus cos square theta plus sec square theta plus 2 cos theta times sec theta. I've opened both the terms. So this is, as you can see, for the first one, and this is for the second one. A plus b the whole square. You have to go about like this. Now, my friends, you have to bring the terms together. Sine square theta plus cos square theta. You bring them together. You know how they look. Okay? And this will give me 1. Okay? And then, so instead of now me increasing steps, you very well know I've marked and you can see that it's easy to see. So I will go ahead straight away. Now this is equal to, when we go further, okay, and complete it, I will have sine square theta plus cos square theta plus cosec square theta plus sec square theta and plus 2, I come here, 2 times sine theta and cosec theta is 1 upon sine theta, my friends, plus I come here, plus 2 into cos theta into sec theta is 1 upon cos theta. This will cancel. Okay? You can see now. Okay, and by the way, they are 2, so we will go further. So this is equal to 1 plus cot square theta plus 1 plus tan square theta plus 2 and plus 2. Okay, what I have done, cos square theta is 1 plus cot square theta and sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. Identity. We have replaced this by this and this by this. And this, my friends, is 1. So 3 identities used at the same time. Okay, so this will give me, you can see 7 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. And my friends, that is my right hand side and hence proved. This is how to do the sum. Looks difficult, extremely simple if you follow the steps. Okay, we'll go for the 9th subunit. In 9, they have said simplify left hand side and right hand side separately. So I will erase because I will need the whole board. Okay. Practice 2-3 times each sum till you are confident. Practice. Never go to the next sum. There is no hurry or target to complete or prove to somebody that you did everything but still don't know anything. Okay, so going for the 9th. 9th subunit is bracket cosec A minus sine A into sec A minus cos A is equal to 1 upon tan A plus cot A. This is what I have to prove in my sum number 9. Let's see. So, left hand side, I'm going to solve both and come midway. Left hand side is cosec A minus sine A times sec A minus cos A. This is my left hand side. Going by basic ratios, cosec is 1 upon sine A minus sine A and sec is 1 upon cos minus cos A. Okay, I'm writing here. Cosec is 1 upon sine and sec is 1 upon cos. So got to an inverse ratio you're supposed to know. So we reached here. Now when we take LCM, this will be 1 minus sine square A upon sine A. Then make LCM right. And the other term will be 1 minus cos square A upon cos A. Now, we will see that 1 minus sine square A is cos square A and 1 minus cos square A is sine square A. Now, this and square will cancel, this and square will cancel. So this will leave me with sine A times cos A. Simplified to this level. Now we can't go further because we need tan, cot, and they've said solve both sides. So right hand side now is 1 upon tan A plus cot A. That is my right hand side. Going for basics again, 1 upon tan is sine upon cos. Cot is cos upon sine. Basic ratio. Okay. Now, when you take LCM, this will be 1 upon sine square A plus cos square A upon sine A cos A. It is multiplication, so I can change the order. There is no problem. So I have not done anything much. Okay. Now, when you will solve this you can already see sine square A plus cos square A is 1. So this is 1 upon sine A cos A. Okay, which is equal to sine A times cos A. This is my right hand side. sorry, left hand side. We have reached left hand side till here, hence proof. Simplified extremely and made very, very simple. This is how you do the sum. Okay, and we will move to the 10th subsum. Yes, friends? So you just have to substitute basic ratios, okay, the inverse ratios, and then life becomes simple, sine square and cos square A. And now you can see sum is extremely workable. No need to feel scared about it. You will say, we are solving. So when we are solving, you know. After that, I can't remember. That is lack of practice. Fluency only will come with practice. You will say, I forget after I do. Please do it 2-3 times at different times of the week, every week, different weeks, and it will stay with you. 5th, 10th last subsum. I have 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A is equal to 1 minus tan A upon 1 minus cot A, the whole square is equal to tan square A. So what are they getting at me? See the sum. So first, we will go for first term. 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A. My friends, now this is equal to 1 plus tan square A is sec square A, and 1 cot square A plus 1 is cosec square A. Okay. Yeah, so we have reached to this step. Now we have got basics. Sec is 1 upon cos and cosec is 1 upon sine. Yeah. Now as you can see, AD BC, this will give me tan square A. As simple as that. Okay, if you wish, I will write for you here. 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A, and 1 plus cot square A, please learn your identities, is cosec square A. Identities. 3 identities, please memorize so that they come to you immediately. Now, we will go for the second term. 1 minus tan A. Okay. Okay. 1 minus tan A upon 1 minus cot A, the whole square. Now this is equal to, when I substitute the basic ratio, 1 minus sine upon cos upon 1 minus cos upon sine, the whole square. Simple. So when you can make this like this. So this will be equal to cos A minus sine A upon cos A divided by sine A minus cos A upon sine A, the whole square. Okay. Now, when we simplify this further, you will get cross multiply, as you will say, to A upon B, C upon D is AD upon BC. So you will get, this is equal to minus sine A minus cos A upon cos A. When you remove minus, you can see that you are switching the signs. Okay, this is plus cos, minus sine, you reverse, minus common, sine minus cos. Minus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. Do not forget this step. Otherwise cancellation will become difficult. Into sine A divided by sine A minus cos A, and the square remains. Now, my friends, you can see this and this will cancel. So this will give me sine square A upon cos square A. and this is of course tan square A. Again, hence full. Hence, please write the answer because there are two steps. Hence, copy the sum as it is. 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A is equal to 1 minus tan A upon, bring all the three together, is tan square A, and you will get full marks. Kindly solve it in this manner. Okay, so this is what was present and which we have solved, and this is where we will stop today. Thank you.